buffalo eating, but behind a baby buffalo is so small and try to swim with her mother. And another buffalo go into the water to find some food, water, swimming, just to enjoy. Look everyone, you see the small baby buffalo with her mother. Oh, wow, so amazing buffalo and lucky buffalo that can find good place for live near the south gate of Uncle Tom temple. See, the baby is swimming to a friend. Look, it's so small. Wow, lovely day. They're so tired. Maybe the baby buffalo cannot stay a long time in the water, so he want to go up, but his mother still eating in the water, so it's not live from his mother. Okay, bye bye, see you next video, and don't forget subscribe for me. Thank you so much.